Fine, okay. So now today we are going to learn two-dimensional array. So how do we write two-dimensional array? So let us now first know how to declare two-dimensional array. So suppose we want to create integer type array. So int a, where we want to create three rows and three columns, equals to new int 3 cross 3. So the first one is known as the row. The first one is known as the row and the second one is known as the column. The second one is known as the column. So now if I write down this statement, okay, if I write down this statement, so in memory the array will be created in this fashion. How many rows? 3 rows. 1 rows, 2 rows, 3 rows. 0, 1, 2. And how many columns? 3. 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2. So in this way the array will be created in the memory. Yes, up to here is it clear? Any doubt?
So is it a matrix?
Yes, of course. Two-dimensional array is a matrix only. Matrix. So now after creating, if I want to insert the values, if I want to insert the values in this array, so how to insert? So the process is we have to run the two loop, one for row I and j for column. Okay, this is row and this is column. So for I equals to, your row is starting from 0, so that's why I is 0. I less than equals to 2. You can write here I less than 3 also, no problem. So I plus plus. Then for j is equals to column 0, j is less than is equals to till where? Till 2. J plus plus. Getting? Then the name of an array is a I j is equals to sc dot next int. So this will be the inner loop, then the outer loop. So how it works? So how it works is that, see, I equals to 0. 0 is less than equals to 2. Yes. So get inside. If it is true, get inside. Now j is how much? 0. 0 is less than equals to 2. Yes. I is how much? I is 0 right now and j is also 0. True. So get inside. So aij. I is also 0. J is also 0. So a00 means this position. So suppose if you give y value as 5, so that 5 will be stored where? In a00. That means here 5 will be stored. Now j plus plus. So j plus plus, as we are in the inner loop, so now j plus plus. So j is how much now? 1. It was 0, now plus plus means it will be 1. So 1 is less than equals to 2. Yes. So get inside. So aij. So I is 0 only, but j is how much now? 1. So it means 0, 1 here. Suppose you give the value as 15. So now it will come here 15 in a01. So then go up, j plus plus, j will be now 2. So 2 is less than equals to 2. Yes, get inside. So a0 2 it will be now. So in A02 you give another value, suppose 9. So in A02, A02, here it will be 9. So now again J plus plus, now J plus plus it will be 3. So 3 is less than equals to 2. No. So come out of this inner loop, means now you will come to the outer loop. You are here, means you will come here now. Now I plus plus, I was 0, now it will be 1. So 1 is less than equals to 2. Yes, means you will come here now. So I is just to change the row and J is for column. You are changing the column. Now J will again start from 0 till 2. Then as soon as you enter the value, suppose 1, 6, 8 you have inserted, again it will come out, go up. Now I will be 2, I will be now 2. So 2 is less than equals to 2. Yes, now come here, mouse will come here, pointer will come here in the second row. Then J will start from 0 till 2, but your I value will be 2, 2 0, 2 0, 2 1, 2 2, 2 0, 2 1, 2 2. So suppose you give the value as 3 7 11. Yes, is this clear? Yes, any doubt? Yes, anybody, any doubt out here? Okay, so you will be doing that question. Write a program using two-dimensional array to enter 3 cross 3 elements and find their sum. Find the sum of 3 cross 3 elements. For example, S should come this 5 plus 15 plus 9 plus 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 7 plus 11. Your final answer should come. Yes, is the question clear? Yes or no? Write a program using two-dimensional array to input 3 cross 3 elements and find their sum. Hello, yes, is it clear?
So can you explain?
Sorry, the question.
Yes, sir, can you explain?
Yeah, okay, I'm explaining. So what I was saying is that suppose you have entered this element. You know how to enter the elements in two-dimensional array. This is the loop. Just you will write here system.out.println entered 3 cross 3 elements in an array. Okay, in an array. So after that you will copy down this to loop and you will be entering. So if you want to do that, you enter one element and simultaneously you keep on adding. So here itself, inside this inner loop itself, what you can do is sum is equals to sum plus aij. Close this inner loop, then outer loop, means you will be entering in this two-dimensional array and simultaneously you are adding this in s plus aij, means s plus s means 0 and now it is 5, 0 plus plus 5, it will be stored 5 in s and then again it will be j1. So in j1 you have entered 15, so 5 plus 15 it will be 20. Like that it will go on till this I, means 3 rows is completed. Yes, is the question clear now?
Sir,
Yeah,
So the example, the program example which you have written, in that the
Okay, I'm writing now. Import java.util.asterisk class sum 2D array. Then void main. Then comes scanner or scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. Then declare the array int a new int 3 cross 3. So int I, you can take a row and column also. In place of I and j you can take a row comma column comma sum equal to 0. So system dot out dot println enter 3 cross 3 elements in an array. So for row equals to 0, row is less than equals to 2, row plus plus. For column equals to 0, less than equals to 2, column plus plus. Then a I j equals to sorry, not I j, column a row column is equals to sc dot next int, and then sum is equals to sum plus a row column. Close this, and then system dot out dot println the sum of 3 cross 3 elements is equals to plus s. Yeah. So the thing is, this means we have to create 3 cross 3 array. 3 cross 3 means 3 rows. This is row 1, 2. As we are starting from 0, so that's why the last index will be the size minus 1. 3 minus 1, that is 2. Then okay, that is row, and the number of columns is also almost 3. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So this is column. Okay, these are the columns. Okay, now suppose I insert the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the question for this was to find the sum. Find the sum. So what will be the overall sum of two-dimensional array having 3 cross 3 elements? So for that, first we have to enter the values. So for that, the logic is this: always the question, if this is 4 cross 3, then here you will be writing 4, here you will be writing 3, means there will be 4 rows, and here it will be 0 to 3 if this 3 will be replaced by 4, then here we will be writing 3, 4 minus 1, that is 3. So, but in this example there are 3 cross 3, so that is why row will start from 0 till 2 and column will also start from 0 to 2. So, now it means that we are at the 0th position, at the 0th row. Okay. So, row will be fixed, but column will keep on changing until it reaches the last position. So, that is why in the inner loop we have written column, and in the outer loop we have written row. So, when row is 0, so column will move 0, 1, 2, 3 times. So, it will add this 1 plus 2 plus 3. So, it is 6 in S, then again come out. So, row will be now 1. So, it will come here, then what it will do? It will add in 6 plus 4, then plus 5, then 6. Whatever comes, that will be stored in S, and then again go up, row will be now 2. So, when A 2 and column is 0, 1, 2. So, you will get this sum, and the overall sum will be stored in sum. Out here we have taken as S. Then as soon as these 3 rows are being covered, so here row plus plus, it will be 3. So, 3 is less than equals to 2, no false. So, come out, terminate this outer loop, and then it will print the sum of 3 cross 3 element is equals to S. Yes. You the another question. Okay, I am not erasing this. Now I'll just change some program. That suppose I want to add the sum of each row wise. I want to calculate the sum of two-dimensional array. Okay, remember the question. Enter the values of 3 cross 3 array and then calculate its corresponding sum. Find the sum row wise. That means here the sum will be 6, then the sum will be 6 plus 5 11 plus 4 15, then here sum will be 24, like this 3 output. Yes, can you try that? Any logic in your mind, mathematical concept, this guessing, any guessing? You enter
Yes, sir.
3 cross 3 elements in two-dimensional array and then find its sum row wise. Find the sum of elements in row wise. So, what is the total sum of first row? 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is 6. Find the sum of second row, that is 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is 15. Find the sum of third row, that is 7 plus 8 plus 9 equals to 24. Yes, is the question clear now? Yes or no? So, the question is, you enter 3 cross 3 elements. So, 3 cross 3 elements, we know that how to enter 0, 1, 2, a row and column is also 0, 1, 2. Suppose you have entered the values out here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can give random values also, no problem, any values. But the question is saying find the sum of each rows. So, what is my rows out here? This, no? So, at first your output will be 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is your sum will be 6, it will be printed 6. Then the second row sum will be 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is 15. And then in the third row it will be 24. So these are the outputs. There will be 3 outputs in this question. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, others? Okay. Okay, very simple. Okay, see, let me explain you. So whatever the program you have done, you have to do the same thing only. But the thing is, whichever you have printed this outside, no? You have printed this, the sum of 3 cross 3 elements, no? This S you have to print inside only. So you have to print inside only this. See? So it means that when my row is 0, when my row is 0, so column will be changing 0, 1, 2. So in A 0, 0, A 0, 1, A 0, 2 you have inserted and you have calculated the sum. So whenever you reached here, so your sum will be 6. So after reaching that, whenever you come out of this inner loop, so directly you print there system.out.println the sum of plus row, sum of row plus 1, ith, the sum of 1th of 0. So as we know the value of row is 0, but when we human being, when we count, so we say this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row, right? Yes, when we say, so which is this row, this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row. Yes or no? Yes. But when we talk about array, so its position begins from 0. So we call it as 0th row, first row, second row. So when I am printing, so that's why what I wrote here, the sum of plus row plus 1. So is my 0. So 0 plus 1, it will be 1. So it will print the sum of 1th, 1th row is equals to plus s. See, to make the sentence more meaningful, and you close this outer brace now. Done. Just the printing part is different, the way of printing is different, otherwise everything is same.